All right, what up, y'all? So we back. I finally had some time to take these wheels off and paint these brakes. So I had this paint since like November, but got some brake cleaner from AutoZone. So got a little soap and water. Just gonna scrub these brakes a little bit and then spray them down with all this brake cleaner like this right here. So this is before I kind of scrub them a little bit, but the brake cleaner is gonna wash all of that dirt off and then it's gonna dry up real quick. So that's a plus. So that's the paint I'm using. I found that at AutoZone or Advance or something like that. But yeah, so it's been, I don't know, like 4 months or whatever. But yeah, so wheels are off. Everything is cleaned up, ready to go. I got some plastic sheets from Walmart. Get them in a big roll for like $2 or $3. So cut a little slit in it, wrap it around the brake caliper like that, tape it up so the wind don't blow it all apart. You might want some better tape than this, whatever this house painter tape, the blue with the green in it. Don't like it, but got some primer. Don't really matter which brand you use. That's all about the same. But put a couple coats of primer on there, get that going. And once we got that, it's time to add some color. This metallic, you need like 3 or 4 coats. It's kind of thin at first, so you got to build it up. But once you got it built up, you'll be looking like this, and you should be good to go. Make sure it's kind of warm out, help it kind of dry a little bit better. So it was like 70 something today, so it worked out perfect. But yeah, got that on there. Pull all your plastic off once it's dry. You see it's no overspray or any of that on the brakes on the car. And then it's time to slap the wheels on and you will be good to go. So probably took a couple hours, between cleaning everything, washing the wheels while they were off. But you end up with a nice little project. So quick little weekend job if you want to do it. Doesn't cost much, $30, $40 maybe, with all the paint, and then you're good to go.